चैनल में। आज से हम एक सीरीज स्टार्ट करने, हमारी लेक्चर सीरीज तो चल ही रही है, इसी को हम आगे कंटिन्यू करते हुए टू कंटिन्यू ऑन दैट वी विल स्टार्ट like development of automation framework, and we will develop each and every component like feature file, step definition, and dependencies. Everything we will develop in this automation framework, and I will share each and every lecture to you. So today we gonna see like how to develop a feature file in the uh, in automation framework. And for that, the first one we need a first one before framework development. First we need to check like our Java version, like Java installed on is not, or is installed or not. So let's check how Java version check. So first we'll go to the CMD, and under CMD just you have to type Java version. So if you see that currently there is a 17.09 Java installed in my software, in my system. So uh, this is the prerequisite for our development of automation framework. So if you want, uh, so please install Java 17.09 from internet. And it's then again today we are creating a skeleton of automation framework. Then we will check for the like Cucumber is already is there in my system, so no need, you can install by following this process. And next one we will check how to create a new project, and then how to create the new feature file in automation development framework. So first, already IntelliJ is installed in my system, so you can install from Google, and you can open this screen. After installation, this is the screen. We gonna develop same uh, automation development skeleton system. So first go to this main menu. Under this main menu, go to here, and select a project. So provide your title. Let's say I'm going to provide testing project. So this is your automation development project. First, then select which build system you want to use. So currently we are using a Maven. IntelliJ is there, but we are using a Maven architecture. So Maven, I will explain later what is Maven here. And once you click, this is a click button. Once you click on the create button, automatically your system, this system will create a skeleton of automation framework. So here I'm going, and 17.09 is version here already. Click on it, create. So if you see, it is asking where would you like to open the testing project. So in this window you want to open, or you want open in new window. So I am selecting a new window. It will be good. So see, new window is open. So this is your project. It is created like in Maven architecture. This project created. Now let me go through all the components. Like what is the components here? This is the first one is the source. Under this source, main class is there. Under this source, Java class, and your main class under this is your main class. Second, we have a test. So under this test, uh, we will create the feature file. First, we will create the folder, and then we will create the feature file, where we will write all the scenarios or test cases under feature file. So, and then we have this is a pom file, pom.xml, which is called a this is a dependency file. So in this project, we will add all the dependencies are here, like Maven, rest assured, API development, all the dependencies I will add here in upcoming lectures. So slowly we will develop this framework, and we will integrate all the components which required, and which will help you in interview as well. You can explain the same thing in interview, there's no worry about that. uh, just keep patience. So um, this is a project of, and we have a folder as well, target folder, test folder. We have external libraries, all the libraries are here for the 17 related. And this is, we don't need to use under the resource. We will add all the drivers and everything in upcoming project, in upcoming lectures. And let me create the feature file, like let me run this. First let me check like this is working fine or not. So if you see, I'm going here, I'm running a main class here, current file. This is the current file, and I'm clicking on current file. So if you see, my program is compiled. It's a simple program like system.out hello world. So if you see, this is working fine, hello world. So you can check that as well, like your framework is working fine or not, like that. Then let's create a feature file. So first go here under this, under this. So let me close all this. First go to here, go select, open the select source folder, then navigate to the test folder, click on it here under Java, click on it, right click, new, and select package. Like here I will select a package, I will provide a feature file. This is a feature file, features, and click on enter. So if you see, this is the folder added in the Java folder, and it added in test folder. And now we have to create the feature file. Every feature file we have to create under this feature file folder. So click on it, right click, go to new, and you have a file folder, click on it, file, and you can provide a smoke test dot feature extension. So guys, please keep in mind, without dot feature you will not be able to create the uh, feature file. It is, and it is a interview question as well. What extension, it is an interview question as well, like what kind of extension we should provide to create the feature file. So you can say feature dot feature extension, and if you click on enter, see, feature file is created here. So today we created the feature file, we created the skeleton of automation framework. Tomorrow we will create the other files as well, like step definition, and also in future, in upcoming lecture, we will create multiple files which required for the development of automation framework. So guys, thank you for today. So if you like this lecture, so please subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubt or anything, please comment on it, I will provide the answer. Thank you.